V. Okay, so we have this. Experimentally, it has been proven. Okay, and you know in mathematics, if I'm to remove the sign of proportionality, we introduce a constant. So we have Q is equal to what? CV. Where C is a constant, we have Q to be the charge, then we have V to be what? The potential difference. Is that okay? Now C, this constant is termed capacitance. Capacitance C. Now, what is a capacitance? Before I define what capacitance is, let's make C the subject of the formula to make the definition easier. So we have Q is equal to, from here, to make C the subject of the formula, we divide both sides by V, we divide both sides by V, and then we have C is equal to what? Q over V. Okay, if you divide here by V, V will cancel V. We are left with C, then Q over V. Now we can define what a capacitance is. A capacitance is what? The ratio of what? The charge between on either of the plate. The what? The ratio of the charge on either of the plate to the potential difference between the plates. Are you following? The potential difference between the plate. So it means if you are able to bring this out, you should be able to define what a capacitance is. I mean, that's one of the reasons I love physics. So now we have this as our definition. Now let's quickly talk about the unit of a capacitor. What is the unit? The unit is farad. The capacitance is measured in farad, F. So we have smaller units like the microfarad. We have what we call the microfarad. We have what we call the picofarad. We have what we call the nanofarad. Okay, these are the smaller versions of it. So the microfarad is equivalent to 10 minus 6 farad. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Then the picofarad is equivalent to I think nano is 10 raised to power minus, nano from 9. Nano stands for 9. This, and then the pico is 10 raised to power minus 12 farad. I think this should come down so that you won't get it twisted. Picofarad is equal to 10 raised to power minus 12 farad. So it makes you to be able to switch in between to suit whatever you arrive at your final answer. So it means this is equal to 1 times 10 raised to power minus 6 farad. This is